saved every coin through stormy nights. A car rushes by, the night takes flight. Tears fall down on a broken dream tonight. Brother whispers, don't you cry, tomorrow we'll try again, you and I. Cold wind blows through empty hands, but our hearts will never bend. Washing cars at break of dawn, baking bread with tired arms. Dust and sweat upon our skin, but a brighter day will begin. Through the storm we won't fall, hand in hand we'll face it all. Every tear and every scar turns to light that guides us far. The light at the end of the street still shines, a dream that will not die. When the night is cold and long, we still sing our little song. We believe we will rise, someday we'll touch the sky. Tomorrow will be ours, just you and me under the light.